Hello everyone, welcome to Curious Minds YouTube channel. My name is Akshay sir and I am a physics faculty here. Now we will be discussing about previous year JEE questions of 2024 year which was conducted in April. Okay? So this is our first question. So let's read and understand the question. It is saying an electron is projected with a uniform velocity along the axis inside a current carrying long solenoid. Okay, and then they're asking then what is going to happen. So these are the four options as you can read. Okay, fine. Okay, so now let's discuss about the solution of that question. They mentioned that there is a solenoid and there is a current flowing inside that solenoid. So that means there will be a magnetic field developed inside that solenoid, which can be in only in two directions. So one way is this. So this is our solenoid. So either the magnetic field will be in this direction, which will be along the axis, or it can be in the opposite direction, which is this direction. This is the only two possibilities for that magnetic field to be built inside it. And in the question, as we saw, that there is an electron. We have projected an electron along this axis. Okay, along this axis. So that means in these two cases. In those two cases, V is parallel to B. Okay, V is parallel to B. V being the velocity of that electron, or V is going to be anti-parallel. Anti-parallel to B. Okay, fine. So basically we have that there is a charged particle which is moving inside this magnetic field B in both the cases, right? So that means the only force that is going to act on that particle is going to be our Lorentz force, whose formula is essentially this, which is a very well known formula. F is Q into V cross B, right? So which if I write in terms of angles, it becomes Q into VB sine theta, theta being the angle between the V and B. So as we saw, in either of the cases, in this case the angle is going to be 0 because they are parallel, and this case the angle is going to be 180, which is because anti-parallel. So in any case, either theta is 0 or the theta is 180, this sine theta is going to get 0, and hence exactly why our force F is also going to be 0. Okay, that means there is no net force on that charge, which is why it will be doing whatever it was doing earlier. That means if we see this question, okay, it was projected with a uniform velocity, so it will be keep doing that, and hence our answer will be option 2. Thank you.